Being an honest man involves consistently telling the truth, being trustworthy, and having integrity in all aspects of life. Here are some tips on how to be an honest man. Tell the truth. Always be honest in your words and actions. Speak the truth even if it's difficult, and avoid exaggerating or telling half-truths. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to being honest. Make sure your words and actions match up, and don't say one thing and do another. Keep promises. Keep your promises and commitments, no matter how small they may seem. This shows that you are reliable and trustworthy. Own up to mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, but an honest man takes responsibility for his actions and owns up to his mistakes. Apologize when you're wrong and make things right. Respect others. Honesty also means respecting other people's feelings and privacy. Don't gossip or spread rumors, and always treat others with kindness and respect. Be honest with yourself. Being honest with yourself is just as important as being honest with others. Recognize your flaws and work to improve them, and don't make excuses for your actions. Remember, honesty is a choice and it's up to you to be a man of integrity. By consistently telling the truth, being trustworthy, and having integrity, you can become an honest man who is respected and trusted by others.